going to do right now? Let's see. I think we should make ourselves a hot ginger and lemon drink. I usually make a ginger and lemon hot water, and I drink that throughout the day, and it gets rid of pain and it keeps me healthy. And I'm gonna show you how to make this drink. I get them fresh off the trees. We've got some ginger here. Okay, so what I do is I usually just take the rind off this. Having a little bit of the rind is good for your health. There we go. Oh, we're going to put it in our NutriBullet. I think we need 2 lemons. There we go. Okay, there we go. Just, rough cut, because, this stuff, I can't quite remember what it does, but I know it helps you absorb vitamins and things. Okay, so we've got the ginger. What I usually do is I cut the little nubs off, and then I put them in the garden, and then usually takes about a year, but I'll make another one of these in the garden, and a rather pretty plant. And what I'm going to do is cut this skin off a little bit. This skin is not very yummy. That's why we're getting that off. I'm going to pop that in there. But I've got lots more ginger, so let's do a bit more. Yeah, I first got into the habit of making this ginger drink because I live in pain. To take the acid down in my body to live in less pain, I needed to drink hot lemon waters. And I don't know, ginger has a lot of stuff going for it, so I added ginger to the drinks as well. So, whoop, little nub, whoop, little nubbies. There we go. Pop that in there. So now we've got the ginger and the lemon in here. Now this is very, very, very noisy. Okay, so I don't know how you're going to feel about that. There we go. We have to do it for quite a while because that ginger is very solid. It's like harder than a potato. So there we go. That's how I make the lemon and ginger stuff. Kettles come to the boil. Okay, we've got our ginger stuff that we made and a nice big spoonful of it. I can handle spicy, so I'm pretty good with a great big spoonful of ginger, but I don't know how you go. You decide this for yourself. And there we go. And now I've got my hot lemon and ginger drink.